Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best drones with 4K cameras that deliver stunning aerial footage and smooth flight performance. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced pilot, these drones offer excellent video quality, smart features, and great value for the price. Let us dive in and see which one is right for you. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Bwine F7GB2 Pro drones with camera for adults, 4K UHD aerial, 3-axis gimbal, 10,000 foot control, 75 minutes flight time with 3 batteries, GPS follow, waypoint, orbit fly, auto return, beginner mode. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is designed for adults who want long flight time, strong stability, and advanced GPS features without jumping straight into premium pricing. One of its biggest advantages is the 3 battery setup, which delivers up to 75 minutes of total flight time. This allows extended shooting sessions without constantly stopping to recharge. The drone feels solid in the air and maintains steady positioning even in moderate wind. The 3-axis gimbal plays a major role in image quality. Video footage remains smooth and level, making it suitable for cinematic shots, landscape filming, and travel footage. The 4K UHD camera captures detailed visuals with good color accuracy for its class. Photos look sharp, and video remains stable during forward motion and gentle turns. GPS-assisted features work reliably. Follow mode tracks movement accurately, waypoint mode allows pre-planned flight paths, and orbit mode circles subjects smoothly. The auto return function adds an extra layer of safety by bringing the drone back home when the battery runs low or the signal weakens. Beginner mode limits speed and distance, making it easier for new pilots to learn safely. The 10,000 foot control range provides plenty of room for aerial exploration while maintaining a stable connection. The controller layout is comfortable and intuitive, with responsive sticks and clear feedback. Overall, this drone balances flight time, stability, and camera performance very well. It is a strong option for hobbyists and content creators who want dependable GPS features and extended airtime without a steep learning curve. Number 2. DJI Flip RCN3 drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 44,000 feet per 13 kilometers video transmission, palm takeoff, auto return, 31-minute flight time, intelligent flight. The DJI Flip RCN3 delivers a lightweight and highly portable drone experience while still offering strong imaging performance. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many registration requirements while remaining capable in flight. The compact design makes it easy to carry, deploy, and store, especially for travelers and casual aerial shooters. The 4K UHD camera is supported by a 3-axis gimbal, which keeps footage stable even during faster movement. Video quality is clean and smooth, with natural color rendering and reliable exposure control. Palm takeoff is a standout feature, allowing quick launches without using the controller, which is convenient for spontaneous shots. Video transmission reaches up to 13 kilometers under ideal conditions, providing a strong and clear live feed. Intelligent flight features assist with automatic movements, subject tracking, and safe navigation. Auto return ensures the drone can find its way back if the signal drops or battery levels fall. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, it offers a good balance between portability and endurance. The drone responds precisely to control inputs, making it suitable for beginners while still enjoyable for experienced pilots. The DJI ecosystem also provides reliable software support and consistent performance. This drone is ideal for users who want a compact, modern drone with dependable stabilization and smart flight assistance. Number 3. Stone GPS drone with 4K camera for adults, HS175D RC quadcopter with auto return, follow me, brushless motor, circle fly, waypoint fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 46 minutes long flight. The Stone HS175D is built for users who want advanced GPS features combined with extended flight time. With 2 batteries included, it delivers up to 46 minutes of total flight time, allowing longer sessions for filming or practice. The brushless motors improve efficiency, reduce noise, and provide smoother flight control. The 4K camera captures clear aerial footage suitable for casual videography and social media content. The drone maintains stable altitude and positioning thanks to GPS and altitude hold features. Follow Me mode tracks the controller location, while circle, fly, and waypoint modes enable creative shooting paths with minimal manual input. Auto return enhances safety by guiding the drone back to its takeoff point when the battery is low or the signal weakens. Headless mode simplifies directional control, which is especially helpful for beginners who are still learning orientation. Controls feel responsive, and the drone reacts smoothly to commands. This model performs well in calm conditions and maintains a stable hover during filming. It offers a strong balance of flight time, features, and ease of use. For beginners who want to explore GPS-assisted flying with creative modes and dependable return functions, the HS175D delivers solid overall value. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 Flymore Combo, Ultralight Foldable Drone, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12MP photos, 31 minutes flight time, OcuSync 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, quickshots, gray, CP.MA.0000306.01. The DJI Mini 2 Flymore Combo remains one of the most popular compact drones for good reason. Its ultralight design makes it easy to transport while still delivering high-quality aerial imaging. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth video, and the 4K camera captures sharp footage with accurate color reproduction. Photos are captured at 12 megapixels with strong detail and clarity. The drone performs well in various lighting conditions, maintaining consistent exposure and contrast. OcuSync 2.0 transmission provides a stable HD video feed up to 10 km, offering confidence during longer flights. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes per battery, the Flymore Combo extends total airtime significantly through extra batteries and accessories. Quickshots automate cinematic movements such as droning and rocket shots, making it easy to create professional-looking footage. The Mini 2 handles wind better than expected for its size and remains responsive to control inputs. Setup is fast, and the DJI app interface is intuitive. This drone is well suited for travelers, beginners, and content creators who want reliable performance, strong stabilization, and proven DJI quality in a lightweight package. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera for adults, 3-axis gimbal, 4K per 30 frames per second video, 70-minute flight time with 2 batteries, 10,000 feet FPV transmission, professional drone, auto return, beginner mode. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is built for users seeking long flight time and higher resolution imaging. With 2 batteries included, total flight time reaches up to 70 minutes, making it suitable for extended aerial filming sessions. The drone feels stable in flight and maintains good positioning with GPS assistance. The 6K camera captures highly detailed photos, while 4K video recording at 30 frames per second delivers smooth footage. Auto return helps prevent loss by bringing the drone back when battery or signal levels drop. Beginner mode limits speed and range, allowing new pilots to practice safely. The controller is comfortable to hold and provides precise control. This drone is best suited for users who prioritize long flight endurance and high-resolution imaging. It offers strong value for hobbyists who want professional-style features without moving into higher-priced drone categories. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones with 4K cameras. If one of these drones caught your attention, you will find the product links in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more honest Amazon product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.